Hello guys, in this video we're doing sine rule. So we have the condition for sine rule. Condition number 1. We must have, it's either we have two known sides and one angle, or we can be given two given angles and one side. In this case, you can apply sine rule. But if you see that it is not supporting these two conditions, then you can't apply sine rule. Also, sine rule, what is it for? It is used to simplify those type of triangles that doesn't support Pythagoras theorem, that doesn't support the trig ratios. So we use sine rule to simplify this. Either we're calculating missing sides or missing angles. So let's see what it states. We have our triangle ABC. So this angle A, we must write its corresponding side, which is A. This B, angle B, have a corresponding side B. This is C. So the sides, I'm writing it in small letters, then the angles in capital letters. Then now let's see what it states. So sine rule, it states that sine A over A is equal to sine B over B, which is equal to sine C over C. So, but when we are doing calculations, we don't use all those three. We just choose two of these ones because we can't work with three. All right. Or we can state it like this. We have two forms of stating, which is A over sine A, which is equal to B over sine B, which is equal to C over sine C. So, when calculating an angle, let's say you are calculating a missing angle, it is easier to state your formula in this form, because you do not need to take up that sine A or sine B. Just do this one straight, you will reach your answer faster. When you are calculating a side, you need to use this one. It will be faster. But all of these formulas, they'll give you the same answer, but choosing this one for side, we're trying to make it faster. So let me just indicate it here. This is for angle. This is for side, to make it easier for us. Okay, let's have an example and see how we apply sine rule. Now let's have an example. We are given our triangle, and the question says calculate size of angle ABC. ABC, which means it's this angle. We also need to calculate length of AB from here to there. So what we do here, we apply sine rule. First thing, we want to calculate angle. So we need to state our sine rule. Or first thing, we need to check whether the conditions support you to use sine rule. Here we're given two known sides and one angle. So this one, it supports cosine, the sine rule. So let's state this one. Our sine rule in terms of with the angle on top, side at the bottom. So we have sine A over A, which is equal to, we are calculating angle B, which is equal to sine B over B. So A, it's 60 degrees. So this is sine 60 degrees over A. A is equal to 5, which is equal to sine B. B is equal to, that's what we are looking for. So sine B over B, B which is equal to 3. What is sine 60? Or before going to sine 60, we can multiply by 3 throughout so that we can see, we can leave sine B isolated. So this becomes 5 sine, well, it's 3. 3 sine 60 degrees over 5. Then we simplify this one using a calculator, or we can do it like this. Sine B is equivalent to sine 60 is equal to root 3 over 2. So this is 3 multiplied by root 3 over 2 over 5. So this is 3 root 3. 3 root 3 over 2 divided by 5. This one can simplify it to 3 root 3 over this becomes 2 times 5 will get 10. 3 root 3 over 10. So B is equal to sine inverse 3 root 3 over 10. After simplifying that, we get our answer, which is equal to, punch it on your calculator and see the answer. So that will be the size of our angle ABC. So this one is equivalent to 31,33 degrees. So this is our angle B. Now let's calculate the length of line AB. Length of line AB is to use our sine rule. So, but we need this angle because it's this length, so we need its corresponding angle. But now we can calculate it easily because we have two interior angles, so we can find the last one. So this is 180 subtracting the sum of these two. So angle C, let me just say angle C like that, is equivalent to 180 degrees subtract 60 degrees subtract 31,33 degrees. minus 180 minus 60, we get 120. 120 subtract 31,33, we get 88,67 degrees. That's the size of angle C. So this one is corresponding to that one, and we use these other two known sides. We're calculating a side, so we state it with side on top. A over sine A is equal to C over sine C. Our A is equal to 5. Sine A is equal to sine 60 degrees is equal to C. That's what we are looking for. Then we have sine our C, which is equivalent to 88,67. So for us to find C, it's equal to, we multiply by this sine 88,67 throughout. So it becomes 5 sine 88,67 degrees over sine 60 degrees. Then we find the length of our side.